Hey guys, so I am about to teach you how to sign Cristo in American Sign Language, but it's been translated from Spanish into American Sign Language grammar. So I'm going to read the words, and they are, this is English. Christ loves me, I know truth. So it sounds a little different from Jesus loves me, but it's Christ loves me, I know true. His words show me clear. Children precious, he care much. He my friend, he my true friend always. Yes, Christ loves me. Yes, Christ loves me. Yes, Christ loves me. Bible tell me so. Okay? Amir, can you send that to April real quick? Okay, so as I go through it, watch me and follow along. And this is for those watching on Padlet as well. Okay? So, the first words are Christ love me. Well, I'm going to do me like this. Christ love me, I know true.
I already got that.
Do it. Okay, let's do it together. Christ love me. Shake your head, I know true.
I
know true.
I know true.
So Christ love me, I know true. Next, his word, and you can bring it down like this. His word shows me clear. So the next one is his Bible or word, and then bring it down.
Oh, Bible.
Show me, so you're going to change it into Bible, then show me clear. So his Bible, show me clear.
Okay, so his Bible, show me
clear. And then you can turn back this way. Clear. Make sure you turn this way because you're talking about God. And clear.
His Bible, show me clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Then the next line is children precious. He care much, but I'm going to change that to love much. He love like that. That's much. But you're going to make your cheeks like puffy.
Okay. So children
precious. He love much.
Love. Okay.
So let's go through the 3 lines. Okay? Look at your notes.
Oh, me.
Christ love me.
Love me.
I know true.
I know true.
His word show me
clear.
Children precious. He loves much.
Okay.
Good job. He my true friend always. Good job. So let's try that again.
Do it again.
Remember that half of sign language is facial expression. Watch this. Like, that doesn't even, so remember that half of sign language is facial expression and where you place things. Alright, next line. The next line is kind of like the next 3 lines. So, yes, we sing it in English, yes, Jesus loves me, but I'm going to change it to Christ because that's kind of what they use in Spanish. Alright? So we're going to do me like this. Yes.
You do this for me?
Yeah, because it's in a song.
Okay.
This is the second time. Then for the third time, you're going to change it into I love you, coming from Christ.
Wait, so.
Yep, you're going to look up like that. Another way of seeing it is coming from Christ like this. So you can do whichever one you want. Yes, Christ loves me, or yes, Christ loves me, like that. Okay? And the Bible tells me so. Bible. Yes, that. So.
You're doing me like this, not this.
Oh, true.
April, nobody wants to see all that.
Like this. Bible tells me that.
Okay, Bible. House. Okay. Okay. That doesn't work.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Facial expression. Then the last time. Good job. Yeah, that was perfect. So practice that, and maybe we'll do that for church sometime. Wait, sorry.
Yes.